Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn 50 real-world Japanese conversation pairs for asking for dinner, perfect for travelers visiting Japan or anyone learning the language. You'll hear the Japanese phrase, see the romeji, pronunciation, and then the English translation, so you can follow along and practice easily. These phrases will help you confidently make reservations, order food, and enjoy your dining experience in Japanese. Let's get started. Konbanwa, futari desu ga, seki wa arimasu ka? Good evening, do you have a table for two? Hai, kochira zo. Yes, follow me please. Yoyaku shitimasen ga, ishoku wa desu desu ka? We don't have the reservation. Is it possible to have dinner? Hai, madaoseki niyoi ga arimasu. Yes, we still have room. Ishoku wa nanji kara desu ka? What time do you serve dinner? Din wa jeiji kara hajimarimasu. Dinner service starts at pito des. Many omiset itadakemasu ka? Can see the menu, please. Makaron desu. Kochira desu. Of course, here it is. Eigo no menu wa arimasu ka? Do you have a menu in English? Hai, sugu ni omochi shimasu. Yes, I'll bring it to you. Osusumwanan desu ka? What do you recommend? Hanjitsu no osusum wa totemo oishi desu. I recommend the daily special, it's delicious. Takoyaki to wanan desu ka? What is takoyaki? Tako no hai takiji o maruko ya itariri desu. They're round dumplings filled with octopus. Kono reiri ihin wa hai timasu ka? Does this dish contain dairy? A. Nisihin wa chukatimasen. No, it's dairy-free. Vegetarian na no desu ga, ta idikimasu ka? I'm vegetarian. Do you have options? Hai, ikutsuka vegetarian meni ga arimasu. Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes. Gluten for norairi wa arimasu ka? Are there any gluten-free dishes? Hai, many ni haiji saritimasu. Yes, they're marked on the menu. Smon o ongeishimasu. I'll have the salmon, please. Chukawasu wa nani ni shimasu ka? And for the side dish? Guriru yasai o onigeishimasu. Grilled vegetables, please. Konoriri wa sunuki detanumemasu ka? Can have this dish without sauce. Hai, mokeron kan desu. Of course, no problem. Nomimono wa nani ga arimasu ka? What drinks do you have? Wine, brew, sofuto dorinku, mizu ga arimasu. We have wine, beer, sodas, and water. Akawain o ipay kudasai. I'll have a glass of red wine. Botoro ni shimasu ka? Gurasu ni shimasu ka? Would you like a bottle or a glass? Gurasu di shimasu. Just a glass, thank you. Omizu wa sudsu demo ai desu ka? Can have tap water. Hai, sugu o mochi shimasu. Yes, right away. Rarigaderu me dono kurai kakarimasu ka? How long is the wait for the dish? Nijapun hodo kakarimasu. About 20 minutes. Sukoshi shoppe desu. It's a bit too salty. Mishiwake arimasen. Betchu no mono o omochi shimasu. I'm sorry, I'll bring you something else. Oshokuji wa ikaga desu ka? Is everything going well? Hai, totemo oishi desu. Yes, thank you, it's delicious. Pan oil sukoshi itadakemasu ka? May I have some more bread. Hai, sugu ni omochi shimasu. Yes, of course. Desto wa madatanumemasu ka? Are you still serving dessert? Hai, kochira ga desto meni desu. Yes, here is the dessert menu. Kurmu buryur o kudasai. I'll have crumble. Shokugo ni ile kakacha wa ikaga desu ka? Would you like coffee or tea? Ii o ongeishimasu. A coffee, please. Okaiki o onigeishimasu. Can we have the bill, please? Tadaima o mochi shimasu. I'll bring it right away. Betsu-betsu ni oshihara idikimasu ka? Can we pay separately? Hai, kan desu. Yes, that's possible. Arigat gozaimashita. Totemo oishikata desu. Thank you very much, it was excellent. Great job. You've just learned 5 essential Japanese dinner conversation phrases with pronunciation and meaning. Everything from asking for a table to ordering and paying the bill. These phrases are incredibly helpful when eating out in Japan or practicing your real-life Japanese. Keep reviewing, practice speaking them out loud, and most importantly, don't be afraid to use them when you travel. Thank you. See you next time.